Welcome to Elmo and Friends. It's me, Elmo. Today on Elmo and Friends, Cookie Monster and Big Bird are playing a game of Journey to Big Bird, where Big Bird hides and Cookie Monster seeks. It's time to play Journey to Big Bird, where Big Bird hides and Cookie Monster seeks.
Now it's time to count to 10. So let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Hi, Elmo, have you seen Big Bird?
Big Bird,
Yeah,
you went that way.
thank you.
Bye. La la.
That sounded like Big Bird's singing voice. Gotcha, Big Bird.
You found me.
Yay, we found him. It's Big Bird.
It's me.
I know you any place. 8 feet of yellow feathers that peek upon your face. Your happy big bird with
La la.
tells us you're the one. We found him, we found him. Ha 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 ha. Our journey to Big Bird is done. Yeah,
That was fun. I liked hiding.
and I like seeking. It's a game too. Hide and seek. Bye bye.
Bye. Thanks for playing.